Bah Prestone song National Vice President kan National People Party NPP ula pynksan halo ka jingwan kyrshan ki MLA naka HSPDP bedang sudap jetsyan kata uba mitedias dekhar bad uba syakliar warjri ya ka NPP ban thau sarkar ha ka janmiet kalai terik ber arjar arpulai habakren sikilat phai kubor loong ba ka jingthau sarkar kamdei tang da ka parti henry rengkat ki MLA ki bedang sudap sajet ulong ba ki don ki kendon ba ki la bandrung syakanu kono ka parti ka ba ki mon.
Formation of government is not by the party alone. It is by the newly elected representative. You need to know that. As I said to you, there's a process where we need to follow. Whatever you say, this convention has been there, not only in Meghalaya, in different parts of India. It has been there. If the elected representative, though they belong from one party, they can even merge. I don't say right now anything, but even constitutionally it is allowed for merging. And then again, even if their party says no, you cannot join the government A or B or C. But let me tell you one thing: if both of them are willing, the constitution is allowed. Don't ask this question. I said you. I've already told you very very clearly. We are in majority, 32 plus, and of course we are reaching out to other political parties.